Getting the job done is important, but even more important is safety. In order to work safely, you must have the proper safety gear. Glasses, hard hat, earplugs, gloves, if needed, boots. Working safely will prevent injury and make a more pleasant environment for everyone involved. A good portion of the time, welding is required on A-frames. This movie will show you the proper techniques of welding. First, begin with the correct materials. If you're wire feed welding, use flux core wire 0.045 in diameter, class E71T1, with a gas mixture of 25% CO2 and 75% argon. Do a pre-welding inspection to make sure your surface is clean and free of dirt and dust. Start by welding the perimeter of the A-frame. Be sure to leave windows in your welding about the size of your thumbnail. Leave a total of 6 windows in the center and on the corners of your A-frame. Next, weld around the center hole. Fill in the rest by welding 3 rows on one side, then switching to the opposite side for 3 rows. This allows for even heat distribution and will reduce contraction. Continue this way until the A-frame is covered. Following this procedure will improve the quality and efficiency of your welding, as well as assist the machinist during the line boring process.